Okay, we'll start with the size 12 barbless nymph. We've got sheer tan. This is the wood duck nymph. So we'll just attach our tying thread there and just go a wee ways back, remove that to about there. And what we need is a wood duck flank feather, and we need to strip off all this at the bottom. Take a little bunch for the tail. Just tuck that in to check the length. A little bit too long for me. That's good. We go back to there, secure it, and we take a length of copper wire. I'll just tack that in. We can run this a little bit further in under the thorax, the copper wire, just to give a little bit of extra weight. And once that's done, put it out the way, and we'll just build up that underbody a little bit so we get a nice taper. There we go, that'll do us, and then we go back to about there and we strip off a good bunch of fibres with the tips matched up. Turn this around and we'll tie this in so it's at the tail base. We'll just go up over the abdomen with the tying thread. There we are. And I'll just smooth that out a little. Good, we go back to there. Then what I want to do is I want to put turn this way, get all these fibres together, put a hackle plier on. And then I'll wrap this up over the body. Don't worry if you get a few stragglers, the copper wire will sort those out. There we are. Then we come up here and we'll lock that off like so. Remove that and go forward a little bit just to secure everything. Then we can remove those. Then we take our copper wire and go up over the abdomen, and then when we get to the thorax I want some tight turns of copper wire here just to give the extra weight. A little bit over there like so, and then we can tie that off. Remove that with friction, and we can go back over the copper wire into the abdomen again. And we take the remaining part of our wood duck. What we do is we go 2 loose turns and we pull this fella through like this, and then we go over, oops, slackened off too much. I'll just do that again. So we go over there like that, 2 looser turns, we pull this through, and then we can tighten up as we go forward. Not all the way forward here, to about there, and then we can go back, just check that the wing case is going to be good. That's good. Now we can go back up here to there, and I've got some pale morning dun super fine dubbing that we'll just put on here. And we'll build up the thorax a little bit more. Tighten that in. Catch in that. I can tighten everything up. A slight taper on the thorax like that. And what we want to do is split the legs. About 50-50, of course. I need a couple of turns forward first. Just tie that one back. Fold that one over. Oops. Go forward. Very nice, and then we fold our wing case over. Not happy with that. I want to come up here a little. There we are. Fold that over. Lift this up, and using your hook eye as a gauge, trim that off at an angle, flatten our thread, and we start at the hook eye and work our way up. Like so. And take our whip finisher. Give it a whip finish, remove that, then what we want is a little UV resin on the head. On the wing case, just give that a blast before the next layer goes on, or the next coat. And that's the finished wood duck nymph. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and check out my website, thefeatherbender.com. Thanks for watching.